Hi guys, today I will show you footers and anchor bolt work, concrete work for this project. You can see today they pour the concrete for footers. Should be like 1'4" or 1'6", and now it is 2 foot below finished floor elevation, concrete slab on grade. You can see here the anchor bolt, the pier box. You can see the size for the anchor bolt and the cage here, rebar cage, rings, dowels, and here you can see that's the Z dowel. That's another dowel here. You can see concrete work here is done and pier boxes. That's another one. Same thing over there. Yeah. Here they digged for interior footers. Yeah. That's floorful concrete or mud concrete, just to make it level, to be out of mud. You can see over there pier boxes. Here interior footings. That is water stop. You can see half of the water stop up, half of it on footers. Here you can see fair face concrete finish, smooth. Depends on what the structural drawing. Same thing here. That is water stop all the way around. Pier boxes.